Alright, here is a old Jacksonville model Savannah at Russian headquarters. Start with the light. Has an Hunter original style globe on it.
Yeah, I just stuck that on there because I had nothing else.
Lovely cane.
Something worth noting is those are not the original blades that came with it. The original blades are a much darker walnut, and they had cane inserts, but the cane was actually, the cane inserts were missing, is what I meant to say. So I swapped them out for that set, which came off of a Casablanca Panama.
Doesn't look half bad. You really got to mess with that one to get it going.
Yeah, it's pretty finicky.
I wish there weren't too many variable speed fans in here. This is taking too long.
Yeah, we have a couple 3 speeds, and by that I mean 3.
A few.
3 more, so a few more. We have all the different types of variable speed. Cardboard box for Casablanca, Old Jacksonville, Thomas, Casablanca SQ, Fasco very low.
Yeah, it's quite the variety.
Yeah, a lot of different types.
I only dream of it. But everyone beats me to it. Especially with the Fasco. I can never get a break with the Fascos.
You got that Old South.
That's true.
And that, well,
But you had mercy on me, so...
I mean, I didn't try because I knew it was not going to work out, because it never works out for me with Old Souths. Because I can get Fascos, particularly parlor fans, out the wazoo. I can get so many of those. Old Souths, I get screwed over every single time, so I knew it was not worth trying because I just get screwed over.
The algorithm knows.
Because, yeah, Old South is the only Fasco model I do not have of the drop flywheel variety, for damn good reasons.
And one will pop up soon. Weird things with the lights. So this came from...
This was Jeff Doctor Fanimation of 2021.
Okay, figured. Wonder what he's bringing this year.
Yeah, I don't know. He hasn't posted anything yet.
Yeah. Also, Charles told me that Chris is not done yet.
Yeah, I know.
So...
Yeah, he said in his post it's round 1 of his.
Mm-hmm.
So he's definitely going to post more later. So his first round was a little disappointing.
Mediocre.
But yeah, like, I'm sure that he'll post more and there might be some better stuff in there.
Guess we'll see. What motors does this have in it?
I have no idea.
My guess is Emerson or GE.
Yeah,
Maybe Asterson.
I was going to say GE personally, but who knows for sure.
This is what the old Fayetteville copied. I assume that's the cane buzzing, the inserts.
Yeah, it is, because Old Jacksonville cane is very loose. That's why the inserts are always falling out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, my Victorian is like that.
This was originally a set of 5, but the 5th blade was missing its cane insert, so now it's a set of 4.
Does this have a 4.5 light well on it?
No, this originally came off of a Panama, this blade set.
Oh, because there are some old Jacksonvilles that do have 5 blades.
Yeah. Yeah, I assume, yeah, it was just like a lighting showroom mix and match or something. It's the only old Jacksonville thing I've ever found, like, in this area.
Mm-hmm.
Or it came out.
Well, it didn't come from this area.
It was northern NJ, but like the only old Jacksonville stuff I've ever found that far east.
And that's full speed. Not a big difference there. I will say it is pretty underpowered for standard stack motors. It's not going very fast. Performs well. Not as fast as, say, a K55. Ones that we're used to. And there's the old Jacksonville Savannah.